Here's baby Caleb's first taste of green beans. This is his first food he's ever had. So today is October 7th? 5th? I don't know what day. It's October 6th. Today's October 6th. He'll be 7 months in 3 days. So here's his first taste. He looks ready.
I want you to have 3 bites.
Whoa! All in, all out.
No.
What is that?
You want to go with that into the store now.
Hey.
You don't.
Okay, try again. I don't think he just necessarily loves it. You want to try again? Ooh, is that tasty? Yummy! This was your brother's favorite. Oh! Say no, 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 mommy. No, no. Okay, well, we tried. I think we can wait a few more months. One taste? Nope. Okay, we're done.